Welcome to InGen Insights, the litigation modules. I'm Professor J. Hudson, the Dean of InGen Academy. A disagreement becomes litigation when one party asks a court or tribunal to determine legal rights, obligations, or remedies through a formal process. The dispute may concern money, property, a contract, professional conduct, loss, or another legal interest. Litigation creates an organized pathway for presenting each party's position and reaching a court-enforced outcome. Litigation usually begins with a claim, or what's called a writ, which explains what has happened between the parties, the legal basis relied upon, and the outcome sought. The other party is then given an opportunity to respond to the claim made against them. The parties identify the issues, exchange relevant documents, prepare evidence, and comply with procedural directions. If the dispute is not resolved earlier, it proceeds to a hearing where a judge, magistrate, or tribunal member makes a decision. Litigation is not simply the day spent in a courtroom. It is a managed journey involving deadlines, written documents, evidence, legal argument, negotiation, and strategic decisions. Some cases may be determined quickly. Others may require several procedural stages. The pathway depends upon the court or tribunal, the issues in dispute, the evidence required, and the conduct of the parties. A legally arguable position is only one part of the decision to litigate. A client should also understand the likely cost, time, uncertainty, enforceability, and personal impact of continuing the dispute. Settlement discussions can occur throughout the journey. Resolving a dispute by agreement is not necessarily a retreat. It may be the most controlled way to protect time, cost, and certainty. Good litigation begins by identifying the real dispute, the outcome that matters, and the evidence capable of supporting it. From there, the legal and practical pathways can be assessed together. The Hudson principle is simple: understand the dispute before choosing the pathway. I'm Professor J. Hudson, and this has been InGen Insights, the litigation modules. This video contains general educational information only and is not legal advice. Court and tribunal procedures, deadlines, costs rules, and available remedies vary between jurisdictions and depend upon the particular dispute. Obtain advice about your circumstances from InGen Legal before acting or allowing a deadline to expire.